Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, this is the part 2 of restoring the old keyboard. 20 years old keyboard. Okay? Okay. So, okay. Okay guys, so this is the okay. So there is no okay connector for this old keyboard. So we will put connector using the old USB. Okay, if you have a your old USB okay cord, so we can put it that in our old keyboard. Okay guys, so as I said, inside this USB cord we have 4 wires. The red is the positive, okay, and the black is the negative. And you can notice we have 2 wires here, the green and the white, that are twisted. Okay, so it means these 2 wires, the red and the green, are the data wire. Okay, okay, so in our keyboard, okay, we have different colors. Okay, so we already trace it. Okay, so this is the okay, so the gray one is the negative. Okay, DC negative. This is the DC negative. The gray and the brown is the positive. Okay, and this is the data. Okay, data is the red and yellow. Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start. Okay, so let's okay. Okay, so red for positive. So we will connect it to color brown of the keyboard. Okay, color brown of the keyboard. Okay, color brown of the keyboard. Okay. Okay. So brown for the keyboard. Okay. Okay. So let's put tape. Okay. So I use masking tape. Okay. Because this is not only easy to purchase, but okay, easy to use. Okay. So, okay. Have to put tape. Okay. Okay. So the white, I mean the black. Okay, so this is the negative. Okay, negative. So our negative is our keyboard is oh, what happened? Oh, gray. Yeah, the gray. The gray is the negative. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's put tape. Okay. So,
Wala, kala ko nasa labas
okay
ka.
guys, so the positive and the negative are 100% sure, okay? But our data, okay, the
Sabi ko,
data
malaki yung
wire,
kulungan nila, Felipe.
we are not sure, okay, for
Kasi
the
40
polarity, okay? Because we have different colors. So, we will first,
Oh,
we will connect the green and the yellow. Okay.
kakalat yung mga dumi.
Okay, and also the red and the white. Okay.
Ah,
Okay, guys. So that is
para diretso doon, hindi sa
that's
ilong.
it. Okay, guys. So
Yung sumalam.
okay, so after that, okay, don't put tape. Okay, so you have to insert this in your computer. Okay, in your CPU. If there's an error that says USB not recognized, so you have to change the color. Okay, you have to exchange
Pinalin
these
nyo.
two wires. Okay, as of now we have green to yellow and white to red. Okay, if there's an error, USB not recognized, so you have to change the partner. Okay, so you have to put green to red and white to yellow. Okay, so that's the reason. Okay, we don't put tape. Okay, so we have an option. Okay, so testing time. Okay, that's all for now, guys. Okay, please subscribe, okay, my channel and the ring button to notify you if I have one video updated. Okay, thank you guys.